Hi, I'm Paulina Lopez, a gallery educator. When you enter Samara Golden's exhibition, If Earth is the Brain, Then Where is the Body at the Nasher Sculpture Center, you find yourself in a fantastical aquatic environment that sparks the imagination. Samara Golden uses mirrors as well as materials like spray insulation, reflective fabric, and plastic to create a space that resembles a body of water. As an educator at the Nasher, I get to spend time in the galleries with people from all walks of life. Each person's lived experiences color the way they respond to an artwork. Golden's installation creates a space so vast that it doesn't matter whether you're a third grader who loves jumping in puddles or an adult who's ever gone fishing. There is room for all sorts of memories and associations with water as you gaze into the depths that Golden created. In this exhibition, it feels like the possibilities are endless.